Today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free Millionaires Shortbread. For the biscuit base you will need 175 grams of gluten-free plain flour, 125 grams of butter and 50 grams of Demerara sugar. To your gluten-free flour add your sugar and give a mix until well combined. Then add your butter, and with the tips of your fingertips you want to press the butter into your flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. This is easier if your butter is at room temperature. And then once at breadcrumbs, you then want to start bringing it together into a dough. Then to a pre-greased and pre-lined cake tin. Mine was 7 inches squared or 18 centimetres squared. You simply want to add in your shortbread into the bottom and spread it out as evenly as possible. Then using a fork, you just want to pierce holes into the shortbread. This will not only help it cook more evenly, but it will also help when you add the caramel on top. Then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for about 30 minutes until the top is golden. And then for your caramel layer you will need 400 grams of condensed milk, 50 grams of butter and 50 grams of Demerara sugar. To a saucepan over a low heat, add your condensed milk, your sugar and your butter. And while continuously stirring, you want to stir it over a low heat until everything is melted and mixed together. Now while making the caramel, you will need to stir it continuously. And the reason for that is because if you don't and you just leave it to sit, it will catch on the bottom and it will burn the bottom of your caramel. So you're best to just continuously stir it over a low heat, which will then stop the caramel from burning. And keep cooking it over a low heat until it starts to thicken up, and you'll know when your caramel's ready when, as you're stirring it, you'll see the sides of the caramel start to come away from the saucepan. And then when your caramel's ready, you simply want to just pour it on top of your shortbread base. And you want to try and spread it out as evenly as possible. Then pop to one side to allow it to cool. Then for your chocolate layer you will need 150 grams of milk chocolate. So you simply want to melt your milk chocolate. I do mine in a microwave, so putting my chocolate into a microwavable bowl, pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time, stirring in between each 20 seconds. And then once your chocolate is melted, you simply just want to pour it over the top of your caramel layer, spreading out to make it as even as possible. So I like to give my tin a little shake, which helps just even out that chocolate layer. Then pop this in the fridge to allow the chocolate to set. And then once your chocolate is set, you just simply want to cut it into the size pieces that you want. And there you have it. That's how you make gluten-free shortbread.